Hey everyone, happy Friday. It's Charles here at Service First Mortgage. Just wanted to check in with you guys. I've got some news for you. FHA is making some changes. They're tightening up their automated underwriting system for scores under 620 with higher debt ratios. And I've got it here. I've got the letter and I've got a couple of highlights for you guys. So just wanted you guys to know that if someone is telling you, oh yeah, I'm approved, I'm under 620, or if a lender's telling you, make sure they've ran the automated underwriting system because it is going to be a little harder now for those types of loans. Basically, here's the letter from Fannie Mae. It was put out on March 14th, 2019, and this is it right here, giving you all the information on what they're doing, how they're affecting it. Introducing manual underwriting requirements were introduced in 2013 for the scores less than 620 and greater than 43% ratios. This was the RR14 was removed in August of 16, and it's contributed to a significant increase in higher risk loans that FHA endorses. Those higher risk loans can actually affect the mortgage insurance fund that's out there. So we've got to be careful, and that's why they're tightening. It's not Service First, it's not Prime, it's not Supreme, it's not anyone like that. It is FHA tightening their guidelines. So don't let anyone tell you any different there. So they're updating it. So now everything that happened on March 18th or after, the automated underwriting system, we're gonna get some different feedback, and we're gonna have to maybe have more manually underwritten loans, which could take a little bit longer in underwriting. We don't know. So we're just going to have to kind of play all this out and see how it works. Send your clients, let me do it right from the start. Don't get any of these quick ones where they're telling you, oh yeah, they got lower credit, but we're good. Unless it's a perfect borrower, and even a perfect borrower, desktop underwriter, automated underwriting needs to be run on every single client prior to giving you a letter. You need to make sure the lenders are doing that. And I can guarantee that I'm doing it because I don't want to have any issues later. So give me a call. Of course, I can be reached at 972-608-7516. And here was a quick little highlight here that I put together for you. Just highlighted it here. The main points, these are the important points. So give me a call, 972-608-7516. 972-608-7516. Let the mortgage genius make sure your commissions are protected. Talk to you soon. Have a great weekend.